Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IAS coaching in your area Pitampura in Delhi? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IAS preparations in your area Pitampura. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Firstly, let us talk about the features of this institution, which is online classes, recorded videos, current affairs, experienced faculty, mock tests, and finally they provide you 24/7 doubt clearance session. Now let us talk about the institution. Plutus Academy is the organization which gives the right platform to the students who want to succeed in government UPSC examinations. They ensure that each aspirant gets an environment where they could trigger their mind and build a right path towards success. Moreover, the coaching aims to develop a competitive attitude along with a sound academic base with quality teaching. For more than 20 years, they have been guiding the candidates for this examination. Since everything is online, you can contact to them on their contact number, which is 812-300-2808, or you can contact them via mail, which is info@plutusacademy.com. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Institute. Friends, The Hindu Zone is extremely important and useful institute for all UPSC IAS aspirants, as when you go and connect to this institution, they provide you a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. A completely free of cost counseling session as soon as you register on their website. During this COVID-19, they are there to guide the aspirants about the best online platform to prepare themselves sitting at their own comfort zone. There they will get all relevant information about the institute, study material, etc. according to the student's requirement. Also, by this institute, keep yourself checked every time with the latest and fit into the current horizon that is going on. This is the importance of the Hindu Zone coaching, and you should definitely visit this institute once. The email ID includes info@thehinduzone.com, and their website where you can find and register yourselves for the free counseling session is www.thehinduzone.com. Their contact number includes 8800222298. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Civil Services Coaching IAS in Pitampura. Civil Services Coaching is ranked number 3 as it has also well-experienced faculty members with expertise in their own specific domain of specialization. Moreover, well-equipped infrastructure with all latest technology is provided in this institution. Now let us talk about some of the key features as to why you should join Civil Services IAS Coaching. The level-based learning causes students to clear their questions and study in the cluster according to their level. Students can endeavor all the modules day by day with a point-by-point conversation of the modules with the teacher. Pre and post conversation of every module assists with understanding the essential ideas in detail, which benefits the students at large. Uncommon syntax classes are masterminded with students who can't comprehend the English language. Finally, compelling tips and methods are imparted to students to improve their pursuing and composing module and answer writing skill. The address includes 4 Pitampura Road, AP Block, Block F1U, Dakshini Pitampura, Delhi 110034. Their contact number is 09958333451. Alright, now let us talk about the Google reviews, being 5 stars out of 5. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Shri Ram Academy IAS Academy. Shri Ram IAS Academy is ranked number 4 by Our Education, which is the best IAS coaching institution in Pitampura. Alright, now let us talk about the other details and why you should join this institution. Number 1 reason being, monthly magazine of current affairs is provided. Number 2, every Sunday there will be an examination from what has been instructed inside the past 6 days. So you can have a weekly recap and re-institutional idea from this institution. At the head of the subject, for instance, history, there will be a comprehensive examination covering the entire schedule, preliminary and main sort. Your contents will be assessed by in-house subject specialists. Finally, they provide you with a benefit, that is, the appropriate response contents composed by all students will be revised and assessed by their in-house teachers, which is also called as the specialist. Now let us talk about the contact details. The address includes 213 2nd floor Vardhaman Market, West Enclave, Pitampura, New Delhi 110034. Contact number being 09810305454, and the batch size includes 50 to 20 students only in one batch. The Google rating includes 4.7 out of 5 stars. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Career Launcher Academy. Career Launcher centers around various portions of students over numerous age gatherings. Now let us talk about the features. Firstly, Career Launcher IAS Academy is ranked number 5 by the best IAS coaching institutes in Pitampura. The faculty members of this institute are highly educated and well experienced in their specific domain. Well-structured notes are provided to all the candidates in the form of hard copies, soft copies, and in the form of live interactive video lecture sessions. Number 3, guest lectures, seminars, and workshops by all the experts in the field of administrative services is provided in this institution. Doubt clearing sessions are provided to all the candidates to make their conceptual knowledge all justified. Finally, extra classes, revision classes, and backup classes are conducted for all the candidates whoever requires it. Now let us talk about the contact details and the address. The address being 12th 2nd floor Kapil Vihar, above showroom, in front of pillar number 349, near Kohat Enclave Metro Station, Pitampura, New Delhi, Delhi 110034. Contact number being 09873921793. The batch size includes 35 to 40 students in one batch, and their website includes www.careerlauncher.com. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IAS preparations in your area, Pitampura. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.